Moving in or out, don't stress over the mess. We've got you covered. Hey there, renters. Whether you're moving in, moving out, or just need a fresh start for your Airbnb, our expert cleaning services are here to save the day. Imagine stepping into a sparkling clean home without lifting a finger. It's like a dream come true. Sounds like a dream, right? We dive deep into every nook and cranny, scrubbing, sanitizing, and making sure every detail shines. From the kitchen to the bathroom and every spot in between, we've got your back. No more worrying about those pesky stains or that sticky residue. Our team uses top-notch products and techniques to leave your space spotless and germ-free. And the best part? You can relax and enjoy your clean space without any hassle. So why wait? Transform your rental today and experience the magic of a professionally cleaned home. Book now and let us do the dirty work for you. Scheduling is easy and convenient. Just pick a time that works for you and we'll handle the rest. Our team is thorough and efficient, ensuring every corner of your home is spotless. You'll be amazed at the transformation. A clean home brings peace of mind and happiness. We don't just clean, we organize and perfect every detail to make your home shine. Enjoy your clean space with friends and family, or simply relax in your pristine environment. Our job isn't done until you're completely satisfied. We take pride in our work and your happiness. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. See you soon. Don't miss out on this opportunity. We follow a detailed checklist to ensure nothing is missed. Every task is completed to perfection. Our attention to detail is unmatched. We polish, vacuum, and wipe down every surface. The result? A spotless home that you can be proud of. We go beyond cleaning. We organize closets, arrange pillows, and set up fresh towels. Enjoy every room in your home, from the bathroom to the kitchen and the living room. We use eco-friendly products and follow strict safety protocols to protect your health. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We guarantee you'll love the results. Our team leaves your home spotless and ready for you to enjoy. Thank you for choosing us. So, what are you waiting for? Book your cleaning service today and experience the difference. We look forward to making your home spotless and welcoming. See you soon.